Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Chemical gases often act weirdly under pressure, so let's find out which one deviates most from the ideal gas law in this quick chemistry challenge. Gases deviate from ideal behavior when their particles actually attract each other. We need to look for the molecule with the strongest intermolecular forces to see which one breaks the rules. Carbon dioxide has a much larger electron cloud compared to hydrogen gas. This bigger cloud makes it more polarizable, which creates stronger London dispersion forces that pull the gas molecules together. These attractive forces decrease the pressure exerted against the container walls. That makes option C the correct answer for this gas law problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on mass and trust that larger electron clouds cause deviations.